Hello everyone, welcome back to Iruke Tradings. Back again with another video. It is Friday, November 19th, 9:29 a.m. Market's about to start in 10 seconds. And before I get into today's video, I just wanted to go over the ES real quick. Just this is what we do before we practice. I'm not gonna lie, I've been practicing during my free time and it's not been easy. I'm actually getting destroyed quite often, but this is what practice is for. And today I wanted to go over something called micro contracts. And start off, I'll just do a quick trade of the regular ES, what we usually do. And in this one, 1 point, this is what I'm doing right now. A 1 point, I actually got filled right as soon as I entered this trade. I went short and it went down 1 point and it automatically bought back my contract. So I basically, if you can see here, I'm up $50. So, the E-mini S&P 500 one contract, 1 point is worth $50. And here I type in the ES, that's what we're on, but there's something called the micro ES, which is just a micro, it's the same contract, but a micro version of it. If you look at, this is the micro ES, this is the ES. See, everything looks the same. The graph looks the same and everything. The values are the same. It's just leveraged less, I would say. So like, 1 point for the ES is worth $50, but in this one, I'm just going to buy one contract real quick. Actually, I think I'm going to go short. You can see here the breakdown. 1 point is actually not $50, it's $5, and one tick is worth $1.25 instead of $12.50. So it's basically 1/10 of the value of what an ES would be. So here I went short, I bought back on the micro ES at 2 points below, and I'm up $10 now instead of $100. Whereas in the ES, I'm up $50 after 1 point. And you can actually do this with other contracts as well. It's not just indexes. For example, this is gold. I typed in GC, but if you type in MGC instead, then it brings you to the micro gold futures contracts. And it's, the same concept. It's just a smaller version. And if you Google futures micro contracts right here, if you scroll down, it'll show you, these are the equity futures. Like the ES, there's other ones like the NASDAQ, the Russell, the E-mini Dow. And also you can look at the products here. There's crude oil, the indexes. There's micro Bitcoin, treasury yield. And if you really wanted to look at all of the contracts, then you can click on this right here. And then if you scroll down and type in micro in the search bar, then it'll literally show you all the micro contracts that are on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. I'll link this in the description below with the other sites. And yeah, you can take a look at them if you like. Back to the Thinkorswim. What were we doing? Yeah, we're on the ES now. Let's just try trading a micro E-mini S&P futures contract, and we can make use of the brackets. Oh yeah, before I do that, I wanted to go over also so something you need to pay attention with when you trade micro futures is like the commission. So micro futures also has commissions. Obviously, it's $2.25 per trade per contract. Whereas on the ES, it was like $3.66, I think. $3.44. That's what it was. It was the $2.25 plus $1.19 extra. But the micro is $2.25. So let's just try a bracket order. I'm gonna do, let's say 4 points, because 1 point is $5. So 4 points would be $20. Okay, I'm in this trade now, and it's just the same as before. I'm going short, so if it goes above this top green one, then it'll automatically sell that one, cancel the one below. If it goes below the bottom one, then it'll automatically buy back, and then it'll cancel the one above. And I just sped this up because it actually took a lot longer than I thought. But anyway, yeah, my buyback is at 4 points above and 4 points below. This is the micro E-mini S&P futures, so each point is $5. So basically, I'm risking $20 both ways. And yep, it went above. I bought back, and I'm basically down. I was up $10 before, but now I lost $20, so now I'm down $10. Yeah. And yeah, like I said before, just got to pay attention to these commissions. So like, let's say I just traded one contract, and I bought back at 2 points below, and I made $10. Then $225 per trade. Both ways. That's $5.50. So even though I made $10, it would still be only a $4.50 gain actually. So that's one thing, if you trade micro contracts, you probably got to pay attention to, is the commissions more so. But yeah, that's all I have for today's video. I'll see you guys on the next one, and hope you guys enjoyed this one. Micro contracts, it's good for practicing probably, and it's probably not as intense because you're not losing like $50 to $100 every time. But yeah, thanks for watching this one, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.